Hey, COCHISE FPV here. Wanted to show you guys something today. This is my COCHISE quad retrieval system. What it is just a snow rake that you use for raking the snow off your roof in the Great White North up here and other places where they get lots of snow. And I secure it all together with the good old race day quad straps that you get with every order. Let me show you how this thing works. So you buy the kit, a snow shovel kit. I'll put the links in the description so you can find all this stuff easy enough. They're 40 bucks. You can get them on eBay, and that includes the freight, so it's free freight. So when you get the snow rake, you're going to take the top section. It's going to have a curve to it. This would be the section that you'd use to attach the shovel, but you're not going to use the shovel. So you cut that off so that you have a straight piece, and you get yourself a hook and a rubber stopper. Well, it's a rubber foot guard is what it is for furniture, and you put that on the top. That way if you have to poke your quad, you're not going to be damaging it. And then the hook is nice because you can hook it and you can bring the quad down safely without letting it drop to the ground. So after you do that, it's real easy. You get your quad stuck in the tree, you go ahead and get up underneath it. It's easier to go right underneath where the quad is, so you can just start building this thing and feeding it through the scraggle and the leaves and the branches until you get to your quad, instead of trying to struggle coming in from the outside. And then bring it down. It's that simple. What I did is one kit will get you 21 feet of reach. I bought two kits, two snow rake kits. That way I have a total of 42 feet that I can go up into a tree. That conquers most situations. I think if you got any longer than that, you'd have a problem possibly of buckling the aluminum tubing. Some lightweight stuff. In fact, you wouldn't want to lean over too far with your quad attached if you didn't have to, because you could risk buckling it if you were extended out quite a few feet. Yeah, so there you have it, the COCHISE quad retrieval system. I'll show you how the quad fits in there. So you got the quad in the tree, you come up, hook her around the motor, bring her down. It's pretty nice. I suppose you could hook it other places, but I think the motor is probably the safest place, the most secure. If you can hook it around the motor, she's going to be on there good. So there you have it. Hope this helps you guys out. I know it's helped me out. And again, the links will be in the description so you can build one of these for yourself. It's going to cost you, if you got the two kits and the few things you needed at the hardware store, about 90 bucks in the course of your time. Take care. Bye.